polisher can strip through your clear coat in under 5 seconds, and most beginners have no idea it's happening until it's too late. Here's what's actually happening. Polishing works through friction, a pad and compound removing microscopic layers of clear coat to eliminate swirls and scratches. That friction generates heat. On a quality dual-action polisher, the pad oscillates in random orbits, spreading that heat and force across the surface. Cheap, poorly built polishers, especially rotary-only units without speed control, spin in one direction at high, uncontrolled RPM. Remember that clear coat is only 40 to 50 microns thick. A rotary polisher held too long in one spot at too high a speed, with too little lubrication, can generate enough localized heat to literally burn through it, leaving a permanently discolored, sometimes bubbled patch that no amount of polishing fixes. I've had to fully repaint panels because of exactly this mistake. The myth beginners believe is backwards. They think expensive machines are riskier, so they buy a cheap one to be safe. It's the opposite. Quality dual-action polishers have built-in safety margins, speed control, safety clutches, and orbital motion specifically designed so you can't easily generate burn-through heat, even as a first-timer. If you're new to paint correction, dual-action, not rotary. Keep the machine moving, use enough compound for lubrication, and work in overlapping passes rather than lingering in one spot, especially on edges and high points, where clear coat is naturally thinner. I tested the budget dual-action polishers that are actually safe for beginners. My pick and the ones to avoid are linked below.